Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up RCS messaging features on your Roku device, follow these step-by-step instructions to configure rich communication services for enhanced messaging capabilities. Step 1. Turn on your Roku device and ensure it's connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. Step 2. From the Roku home screen, navigate to Settings using your remote control. Step 3. Select System from the Settings menu, then choose About to verify your Roku is running the latest software version. Step 4. If an update is available, select System Update and allow Roku to download and install the latest firmware. Step 5. Return to the home screen and open the Roku Channel Store to search for messaging apps that support RCS. Step 6. Download and install a compatible messaging application that offers RCS functionality on Roku devices. Step 7. Launch the messaging app and follow the on-screen prompts to set up your account by entering your phone number and verifying it. Step 8. Enable RCS features within the app settings by toggling on options for read receipts, typing indicators, and high-quality media sharing. Step 9. Sync your contacts to the messaging app to start using RCS features with other users who have RCS enabled. Step 10. Test the RCS messaging by sending a message to a contact who also uses RCS to verify all features are working properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.